Regional Democratic Alliance candidate for Shillong Lok Sabha seat, Robert June Kharjarin, today said that all the problems of the Jaitbynriew and Hynniewtrep lies within Parliament, and that is the reason he has chosen to contest the MP election. He said that the state demanded implementation of ILP in Meghalaya, and even an agitation was held in New Delhi for inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages, but it reached nowhere. Assuring that he would raise the issues of the state in the Parliament, Kharjarin promised that he will be the voice of the people of the state.
Nidawa ILP, kasorkar Meghalaya, hakatingalam jo ke MDA, way, kapas ya ke resolution, pentereka mek ILP, andala pak sausnem, sakut ante pok Parliament. Sakut kasorkar India kelempul sisi. Nidawa berperuhnya kita kasih betin Garo hak kedet ke bopra jog dari penyak terekam jog kasorkar India kelempul sano-sano. Lalu yaki menga buat mengilang Baro hadu Delhi ru kelempul sano-sano. Nikam ngisrosen ngisro panglot. Ya kata kecing sale ben jog kipreu ke jongi ki basa athan border ki bonba ki nang rangbang ki bonba ki nang than maram ki jongi ki basa tu ke border ngada kendu ki hapor banglet visit habakot omdan utaw LP ubalong ya ka India ba penbet no yo fokusan mu jongi